Bare minimum.
Aww.
That's so sweet.
Well trained. Sibling बनाएगी.
You drag me out of the bed and you make me climb mountains. It is
He
princess
normally-
treatment.
Always support your partner's social endeavors because he needs it.
Are you ready, Zox?
I am ready to get back.
Stop it. Get some help.
Thank you for joining it.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bare Minimum or Royal Treatment. So we got Xerxes here and Sasha, the girlfriend, and they're going to be reading out a couple of cards. They're gonna...
Girlfriend or sister? I thought this was a sibling thing.
What
are we doing?
Fuck it up.
What we doing the sibling thing? Oh shit.
Should I leave?
Wait, you're the girlfriend. What the fuck? You're this. Wait. Don't fuck it up for me, bro. Okay, no, she's the girlfriend.
Are you sure? Are you
Yeah,
100%
yeah,
It's the
sure?
girlfriend. It's just that we've been called siblings about 9 or 10 times right now. I can show you a message right now. It says you guys are starting to look alike.
Those guys need to fucking figure out their life.
Correct. So this is not the sibling edition.
They're going to be reading out a couple of situations from their cards, and if they have to mention whether it is bare minimum or princess treatment or king treatment. If they get it wrong and the other person thinks, "Hey, actually, ये तो bare minimum है, क्या इतना तो करना चाहिए?" You get this pillow and they whack him.
Correct.
What do you think is going to get whacked?
I think both of us in some space.
No, I think neither of us will get whacked. Yeah, I think we know each other a little too well. The thing is, we've been together since we were born, and
Oh my god!
so we've grown up knowing each other's, we know each other's preferences. So the aim here is
The
to not
audiences
get
are not
whacked.
prepped for this.
I'm also not prepped for this. Anyways, let's
There,
go.
there.
Let's
Think
go.
twice before calling me for a shoot. Who's your Mr. Sister?
Okay, Charlie.
Pick up one.
Okay. Everything's fluid at this point in time.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Okay.
Giving him the bigger piece
Give
of
him a
gulab-
head.
हैं नोटी हो रहा
Let me finish before you interrupt. Alright, great. So, giving him the bigger piece of gulab jamun. This is bare minimum.
It's king treatment. I don't need king treatment. That's not bare minimum. Also hit
Of
her
the
for-
two of us, he eats more. He likes to eat food. So, I'm just like, yeah, take the bigger piece. It's fine.
But that's like treating me like a king.
Unless
Why should I get the bigger
unless
piece?
there's something on the table that I really like, then I'm like, hey, that's for you.
No,
It
that-
depends
Like,
on
who
preference.
whacks who? I don't know. I'm also confused here.
I'm also very confused. You didn't plan for this one,
No,
right?
fuck.
Ask
When-
the audiences,
when-
what do you think? Like, you decide on that one.
Yeah, like what do you think? Isn't that king treatment?
But
And
then
I
they'll
don't
be like,
deserve
this is your
that.
relationship. What do you think?
I think that's king treatment. You should keep the bigger piece for yourself.
And you think it's bare minimum?
I think it's better.
The whacker.
That's what I did.
I'm done with this question. Next.
Whack.
King treatment, right?
King Xerxes. Wait, that already is a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Recharging her phone plan without asking questions. So technically we are on postpaid, but I do recharge her phone battery without asking questions.
It's the phone plan, honey. Answer this question very well.
So does that equal to me paying your phone bill without asking questions?
But like, then it'll be linked to my account. So then you'd be essentially just doing the work for me, paying from my account without me having to do it.
I think this would be a princess treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? We agree.
Yeah.
Okay, next on you.
Okay. Bare minimum or king treatment. Making chai, coffee for him without being asked. Bare minimum.
Yeah.
Easy.
Telling you we're in sibling
Yeah.
mode.
Go,
at
go,
this-
go, go, go.
My
go,
turn,
go.
right? Holding her hand and walking in public without hesitation. Bare minimum.
Yeah. Waiting 2 hours outside his favorite sneaker drop. See, the thing is, I don't have
What
to.
did you say? You said this
I
was
said
king
king
treatment.
treatment.
Fair.
Yeah.
I mean, I would like her to hang
Yeah.
with me because I'd get bored.
Yeah.
Um,
He'd be there before me.
and I'd
I'd
like,
be
you
like
can just
actually
join me.
coming, like joining him on that.
In fact, what I would be
So,
doing is
I don't have to
convincing
worry
her to
about
buy
that.
the pair as
Exactly.
well. I'd be like, you should buy it. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. So that would be king treatment.
Yeah,
and me
that's-
buying it also would be king treatment for him.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. That's kind of how it works with
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Holding all 7 of her bags while she shops. Yeah, bare minimum.
Yep. And we've actually had this actually happened once.
There's also happened reverse.
Where we were, reverse also happens, yeah.
Where she holds the
Where
bag
I'm
for
holding
me
the
while I
bag and
shop.
he's the one.
I like
doing
to
the
shop a
shopping.
little more than she
You
does.
guys are a perfect couple.
I wouldn't say perfect.
So what?
We've just been
Sibling.
together long enough and we've had enough conversations about everything. Since the beginning.
Sibling बनाएगी?
राखी बांधते भाई आ रहा है.
नहीं, siblings बनाएगी क्या?
It's probably gonna happen, yeah. Laughing at his terrible jokes in front of his friends. King treatment.
Correct. I'm not trying to vacuum. It is correct.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
king
king
treatment.
treatment. If it's a bad joke, it's a bad
It's a
joke.
bad
You don't
joke.
have to
We'll
laugh.
call it.
Carrying an umbrella for both of us. Bare minimum.
Yeah.
It's painful to carry two umbrellas.
Although he doesn't, but it's bare minimum.
I mean,
so I
she
would actually
carries
consider it as
it.
princess treatment.
But she's already carrying it.
If you don't carry it
Hmm.
and you're calling it bare minimum, you're not really doing the part.
No,
Correct.
her doing it
I
is the
agree
bare
on this.
minimum part
I
of it.
totally agree on this.
I'm saying that it's the bare minimum she can do.
You were supposed to be doing it. No.
See, listen, between the two of us, we only carry either 0 umbrellas or 1 umbrella. Because why bother with 2 umbrellas if you're anyways walking all held up, hugged up into each other? So, depending on what our hands are doing, one of us will carry the umbrella. So, it's a bare minimum thing.
It is
She
princess
normally-
treatment. He's got it wrong twice now.
Okay.
Liking and commenting on his posts, even when they're low-key cringe. Bare minimum.
Aww.
That's so sweet.
Well trained.
Bare minimum.
Good job.
You're welcome.
Always support your partner's social endeavors because he needs it. Watching the shows she likes even when I don't like them.
Answer wisely, sir.
Yeah, boy.
This is a
Treatment.
great one.
Princess treatment.
Yeah, that's true. Actually,
He's just like,
I
how
love how you all are just agreeing to each other. Like, हाँ, मैं तो princess treatment.
no, but it is true. You have no idea. Like, if I want to watch something and this boy doesn't want to watch it, he will not watch it. I either have to watch it by myself, alone with some other people, or I have to like demand and like throw a tantrum for him to watch
And
it.
then she gets the princess treatment.
But on the other hand, if the reverse question was asked, it would be bare minimum for him.
So do you want to hit him or not?
I do.
Good.
He just wants to hit on me.
Adjusting my shopping budget to surprise him with sneakers. King treatment.
Yeah. In fact, I do that
He
sometimes.
would, yeah, exactly.
I adjust my
Like,
shopping
yeah.
budget to accommodate her sneakers. Apologizing first, even when it's 50-50. Bare minimum. I mean, you want to live or you want to live? Do you want to live alone or do you want to live with? Do you want to live with? Bare minimum. Correct?
Yes. Not getting mad when he forgets dates.
Yeah, that would be the other way around because she forgets dates.
I think the
So
last time we went
what
on a
is
date
it?
was
One
like
second,
a
one
very,
second.
very long time ago.
You just went on the weekend. What was that?
That was not a date. That was
was a full
that
date
was a staycation,
weekend.
Yeah. So I mean, the thing is,
That's-
we're not
that's-
kind of the people who like set dates. Kind of our whole life is one big date at this point in time. Like we'll make everything an event, like quite literally. So everything seems to be a date, and then there are moments when.
When it doesn't work out, so like okay, fine.
And sometimes we do get mad, and then we're just like, oh, we're just mad because we're angry
Yeah, it's
about
bare
something else, or
minimum.
it is bare minimum.
Remembering her friends' names and their life problems.
Good question.
Princess treatment. I got it.
Give one more, man. Give one more. Not hit him for
See.
a long time.
I'll tell you why. I'll explain.
Oh, balls.
You do remember all my friends' names and
I
their
remember
life
everything.
problems. But
Things I don't need to know, I remember.
But why do I not remember your friends'
You
names?
remember
and-
jack shit about even your own schedule.
We're talking about friends. So why do I not remember the names of your friends and your life and their life problems? Probably because we don't meet them enough.
You don't even remember things that I think is
I
a
do.
problem. So it's just in your nature to not focus
Princess
on problems. So it is a princess treatment for him. That's true.
But you think
I
it's
live with it. I think it's bare minimum. Yes.
So whack him one more.
It's fine. It's just who he is. It's okay.
See, she's so kind.
So staying patient and taking pictures of him until he's finally happy, no matter how long it takes. Bare minimum.
This is bare minimum.
Yeah,
It's my job.
it's his job.
Because
job.
and also she is very comfortable with the way she is. So I click whatever she's like, yeah, done. I'm like, wait, I have to make her wait to think till I've got to let a picture of her. She's just moving. I'm like, just wait, you're not done.
I gotta get a little more better in front of the camera for sure.
No, it's
Yeah.
great. Like I can't be with someone who's like, oh no, take it from this side.
I don't have all of that.
Not this side,
I
this
don't
is
know
my
what looks
profile.
good, what doesn't look good on
Like,
me at least.
yeah.
So I'm just like, it's fine.
Okay, next. Bringing her favorite chocolate or ice cream during her period without being told.
Tata, goodbye, gaya.
Good question.
See now.
Hi, Pillow. What he makes me do
Princess
is
treatment.
10-kilometer treks. Rather than let me sleep in bed and have chocolate and ice cream, that's like,
No,
oh
but
my
see,
god.
this one says that I have to bring your favorite chocolate or ice cream without being told.
You take me, you drag me out of the bed and you make me climb mountains.
So yeah, princess treatment because like, I mean, just tell me what you want, I'll get it. What do you mean like?
Yeah.
What if you're feeling like you
Oh
don't
please,
want to eat ice
this
cream?
is not your forte. It's fine. Offering him a head massage whenever he asks
Offering
for
him
it.
a head?
Head massage.
So offering him a head massage whenever he asks for it, yeah, bare minimum.
Yeah, bare minimum.
Yeah.
I was
Ask.
asking you why do we bench मेरा सर दबाओ.
Yeah, but if it's
Ask
hurting, I
nicely,
want
no?
it. Yeah. Yeah, if you ask like that, then fuck off. You don't deserve the massage or head. Randomly getting her flowers because why not? Yeah, bare minimum. Not that I will get her flowers because she's also not a flower person. I think she is a flower person, but she likes the flowers attached to the plant
Yeah.
and not in her hand.
Pretending to like his playlist on long drives. Fuck no.
So here it's not playlist, here it's audiobooks.
Yeah.
We do a lot of long drives.
So audiobooks, no problem. He can have his king treatment, but he will inevitably be putting me to sleep.
10
'cause-
seconds, she's out. And like 3-4 hours later, she'll wake up and she's like, what happened here? And I'll give her the
Yeah.
background. I'll pause the audio
And
book.
then I'll continue
give her the
listening.
background. She'll be like, oh, okay. And then I'm like, okay, can I start? She's like, yeah, start. She'll play it. 10 seconds and she's calling. I'm like, why the fuck did I give you that recap, bitch?
You have like a brilliant ability with content, but I had to sit through 5 years of gruesome lectures, and I've just been like, ooh,
Somebody's talking. Remembering her period cycle and stocking up on sanitary pads without her having to ask for it. Princess treatment.
yeah. I mean, I'm responsible for my cycle, not him. For me, it's not about this. I think it's remembering my period cycle and knowing if he requires to like maybe book a massage for me or like give me some bars or something. Basically, like take care of me in a way that's gonna make the cycle easier, like the PMS easier, but not fads. Like
No,
But
but
this
this
is-
actually shows a lot of people what's it like to be a healthy couple.
just communicate.
Are you telling me you're fat? You just called us a healthy couple, boy.
You can't have comparisons with other people now because you probably have to discover it for yourself. Because you can compare to other people, then you'll be like, oh, I should do it like them. Arey yaar, par aap ho. You are not me, I'm not you. So you kind of have to discover what it's like to be with the person that you are with.
Yeah, stuff
You're
like
a
that.
wonderful couple, yeah.
Thanks, yeah.
So
Thank you.
give
Leon
each-
approved.
Give each other a hug.
Yes, sir.
Give a proper
Oh, and this is what you call a proper hug, and you wonder why there are so many differences in your relationship. Not getting up to give a hug, bare minimum, not princess treatment.
That was the episode of Bare Minimum and Royal Treatment. They did wonderful. They're a perfect couple. Please do follow these two on their social media platforms. I don't think this guy needs a lot of promotion because he's already big.
I could always do with 10 more. 10 million more.
So please subscribe, like, comment, share all the fucking details in the description.
We all know how YouTube works.
And be a perfect couple like these two.
Or siblings.